everyone. Today we'll be learning about adjectives. This is an introductory video about adjectives. So, when we talk about adjectives, we must be first familiar with what nouns are. So, now as you know what nouns are, then adjectives are the words which describe the noun. For example, if I say, I am very smart or I am very cunning, then smart and cunning are the words which are describing me. So they're talking about my quality. So they are called adjectives. Now, when I say that my bedsheet is very bright, that means that my bedsheet is a thing and it's very bright, means bright is the adjective. So now when we talk about adjectives, adjectives are the words which describe a noun or a pronoun. It can be people, places, things, or situations. Now, everyone must have their own favorite cartoon character or a person. So here it is that this is my favorite cartoon character. Okay, you all might be familiar with who he is. He is Shin-chan. You must have watched him on your television. I think this is my favorite cartoon character, but you must be having some other favorite cartoon characters. So if anyone has watched Shin-chan, what can we tell about him? That he is smart, he is cunning, he is mischievous, naughty. Some always we see him wearing red t-shirt and a pair of yellow shorts. So these are also the qualities which describe him, the things which describe him. So herein, what I can say about him is that he is naughty, cute, funny, small, red, yellow because he's wearing those things, mischievous, playful, and interesting. So now, what we'll talk is that since Shinchan is a noun, Shinchan is a person, and all the words which we use to describe him, are called adjectives. Now, I'll show you an object, two objects. Can you describe these things? What is this? This is a football, right? So, how is a football? Sometimes, always not all footballs look the same. You can think of some other footballs also. You can talk about their color, their shape. Is it new or old or soft or hard? Anything like that. So, what I think is that football is small, circular, spherical, black, white, new, attractive. We can use so many other words to describe a football. Now we talk about this. What is this? This is a plant, right? So how are plants? How can we describe plants? Plants are green, they're leafy, they are natural, they are herbal, they are pleasant, um, they are soft at times. So I thought of these words to describe plants. What are your thinking about how we can describe plants? You can use so many other words. So plants can be small or large, green or leafy, bright, natural, herbal, healthy. Because some plants are also unhealthy when we don't give them water or when they are not provided with enough sunlight. Right? So now I'll show you a picture, which is my favorite picture these days. This is all my favorite food items in one frame: lollipops, candies, nachos, dip, Maggie, fries, ice cream, pizza, burger. All these are junk food. I love eating these foods. But I also know that we shouldn't be eating them on a regular basis. We should eat them once in a week or after many days, okay? So, when we talk about these things, can we describe them? Yeah, we can. We can describe them by their shape, their taste, their texture, how they are. So, when we say about shape, we can say that the fries are long, or the cone is triangular or conical, or the pizza is round or circular, or they're tasty, salty, crunchy. So I came across these things, that cheesy is taste wise, round, crunchy, salty, sweet, cold, yummy, tasty, delicious. Favorite. Okay, these are my favorite, so I can call them favorite because these things are my favorite. Delicious, unhealthy, spicy, crispy, crunchy, colorful. Okay, so this is all for today. I think you must be having a good idea about now what adjectives are. For future video, I'll be talking about the types of adjectives, right?